solve the homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. The equation is d square minus 2d into d dash plus d dash square into z is equal to tan of x plus y. So it is a partial differential equation. D means partial z by partial x and d dash means partial z by partial y. So we have to first of all, the solution of this equation contains two parts CF and PI. So first of all we have to find the CF. So CF to find the CF we have to convert it into auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation is replace d by m and d dash by 1. Replace d by m and d dash by 1. So we will get m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the auxiliary equation. We have to replace d by m and d dash by 1. So we are getting m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to, and this is m minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So m is equal to 1 and 1. So here the roots are repeated. So we have to write the CF. CF is equal to phi 1 of y plus x plus x into phi 2 of y plus x. So this is CF. Now next is we have to find the PI. PI is 1 upon this total expression, that is function of d and d dash, that is d square minus 2d into d dash plus d dash square into tan of x plus y. Now for this type of function tan of x plus y, coefficient of x is 1. So replace d by 1 and coefficient of y is again 1. So replace d dash by 1. If we put d by 1 and d dash by 1, replace, so we will get 1 minus 2 plus 1, that is 0. So if we put d by 1 and d dash by 1, so denominator we are getting 0. So the case is failed. So then pi is equal to x into, we have to differentiate partially with respect to d. So d square minus 2dd dash plus d dash square into tan of x plus y. Now we have to differentiate it. So it is equal to x into 1 upon this will become 2d minus d dash, 2d dash means differentiation of d is 1. So d dash is constant here because we are differentiating partially with respect to d. So we are getting here 2d dash minus 2d dash into tan of x plus y. Again we have to put replace d by 1 and d dash by again 1. So again we are getting 0. So this pi is equal to x square into 1 upon, we have to differentiate again with respect to d, 2d minus 2d dash into tan of x plus y. Now this is equal to 2 only because differentiation of is 1 and d dash is 0. D dash is constant for if we are differentiating with respect to d. So it is equal to x square upon 2 into tan of x plus y, and therefore the complete solution z is, because z is a function of x and y, z is equal to CF plus PI. So CF is phi 1 of, that is phi 1 of y plus x plus x into phi 2 of y plus x plus PI. PI is this one, x square upon 2 into tan of x plus y. This is the complete solution. Now again the homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. So here the given equation is 4r minus 4s plus t is equal to 16 into log of x plus 2y. Now we have the given equation is in terms of r as t, and we know that r is 4 into del 2 z upon del x square, that is second order partial differentiation of z with respect to x means r, minus 4 del 2 z upon del x del y plus t means del 2 z upon del y square is equal to log of 16 log of x plus 2y. This is the given equation. Now this we can write in terms of d. So it will become 4 into d square minus 4d into d dash plus d dash square into z is equal to 16 into log of x plus 2y. Now we have to find the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is, we have to replace d by m and d dash by 1. So it is equal to 4m square minus 4m plus 1 is equal to 0. So that is 2m minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So m is equal to 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So the roots are repeated here. So CF will become phi 1 of y plus half of x plus x into phi 2 of y plus x by 2, 1 by 2x. So this is CF. To find the PI, we have to consider in the form of PI is equal to 1 upon f of d. F of d is this function of d, that is 4d square minus 4d d dash plus d dash square into 16 of log of x plus 2y. Now here this 16 is constant, we can take here it is, and 1 upon 4d square minus 4d d dash plus d dash square into log of x plus 2y. Now we had to replace d by 1 because coefficient of x is 1, and replace d dash by 2 since coefficient of y is 2. So what will be, it will become 4 minus 4 into 2, 8. 4 minus 8 is minus 4, and that is 2 square, that is 4 plus 4. So this will become 0. So the case will fail. So this again we have to write x into 1 upon, we have to differentiate partially with respect to d. So 4d square minus 4d d dash plus d dash square into log of x plus 2y. Now this differentiated, so 16x into 1 upon, it is equal to 8d minus 4d dash. Now check it. Differentiation of 4d square is 8d, and this here d dash is a constant, and differentiation of d is 1, and differentiation of d dash square is 0. So it is 0, and log of x plus 2y. Now again we have to replace d by 1 and d dash by 2. So again we are getting 0 form. So case is fail again. So that x, that is equal to 16 into x square. Again we had to differentiate partially with respect to d into log of x plus 2y. So this is equal to 16x square into 1 upon, it is equal to 8 into log of x plus 2y. So it is equal to 2, it will become 2x square. So the complete solution z is equal to CF plus PI. So CF is this one here, phi 1 of y plus half of x plus x into phi 2 of y plus x by 2 plus PI. PI is 2x square into log of x plus 2y is the complete solution.